everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Sandra from Makesales, and today I'll be taking you on a quick tutorial on how to customize your website to look more personalized. So after you have logged into your account on web, you navigate down to the website builder, and when you click on it, a page is displayed where you can make the desired changes that you want. Now, the first thing will be to pick your branding and colors. So for every changes that you get to implement, you get to see a live preview of it over here. So the first thing will be to pick your primary color. Now your primary color is this color that shows over here. So let's say for this tutorial, I want to change ours to red. So you can either use the picker like this, or you either use the suggested color combinations by clicking on this drop down button to pick the suggested color combination that matches your brand tone. So after you have selected the primary color that you want, the next thing would be to choose your accent color. Now for your accent color, it is always advisable that you get to use a profound color so that there is a balance between the primary color and the accent color. So for this tutorial, default setting has it as white, but let's say we want to change it to red. You get to see that you cannot see it, so it's always advisable to use a profound color. So we either leave it as white or we could change it to black. For this tutorial, let's leave it as the default setting, which is white. After we're done doing that, the next thing would be to change your typography font. Now the typography is when your customers log into your website to shop from you, there is a text that moves, which is this shallow text over here. You can change the font to the one that suits your brand desire and tone. So once you have picked the one that resonates with you, the next thing will be to edit your main title. Default setting has it as welcome to cloth hand. That is how it's going to appear, but you can change it to a more personalized brand text as well as your subtext. Default setting has it to your one-stop shop for all your needs. You can change it to what you like to feel more personalized to your brand. So after you're done and you are okay with all the desired changes that you have made, you can do well to see the live preview as to how they are going to look when your customers get to shop on your website. And you can also see it via desktop look, how it's going to look when a customer is using a tablet to make a purchase, and as well as mobile view. You can see the live preview over here. So once you are done and you see that everything suits what you like, you can click on the save changes button. But one last thing, if you would like to change the sidebar over here to match your primary color, you can click on this toggle side box here, and when you click on it, automatically it changes to green. But once you click save changes, it is going to change to this primary color that you have chosen. So once you are done, you get a pop-up notification saying you have successfully customized your website to look more personalized to your brand home. And that is how easy it is to have your customization done on the Makesales platform. So until next time, see you in our next tutorial. Bye!